Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to study subject Geography Standard 9th lesson number 7 International Dateline Revision video number 36. Students, we already learned about Earth rotation, revolution, the sunrise, the sunset are natural phenomenon. Means the man learned about the how to keep the time, and he defined gratical on the earth. He coordinated between the time of the earth's rotation and the meridians of the gratical. The earth takes 24 hours to make one rotation, means earth takes 24 hours to make a round of 360 degree around itself. Means we learned about earth rotation. Earth rotate around itself, it is called rotation. Earth revolve around the sun, it is called revolution. And earth rotates from west to east. See the direction of the rotation of the earth rotates from west to east. Therefore, in terms of time, the eastern part of the earth is ahead of the western part. Here the diagram is given about the Sunil and Meenal journey. Means keeping this in mind, let us think about Sunil journey. Sunil is moving towards the east. You can see that how the Sunil has started journey on 0 degree meridian towards the east, and Meenal, she is going to start her journey from 0 degree meridian to the westward. Now see, Sunil is moving towards the east, therefore the time will move ahead at different meridians. For example, if when Sunil reach at 30 degree east, that the time will be here 0 degree meridian Thursday means 12, and 2 hours ahead means 1 or 2 clock will be there. So for example, at he reach at 90 degree east meridian, it will be Thursday 6 p.m. means Sunil moves eastward, and according to him it will be Thursday midnight at 12 at 180 meridian. Means you can see the 2 hours you can increase, and when he reach at the 180 meridian, that time he will experience the 12 Thursday 12 midnight at 180 meridian. Means according to him, as he continues, it will be Friday. Means when he cross 180 meridian and he continue to the 0 degree meridian, it will be Friday after he cross the 180 meridian. And at 90 degree west, it will be Friday 6 a.m. And therefore, after full round of the earth, when Sunil meets Meenal at 0 degree meridian, it will be Friday afternoon 12 p.m. You see how the Sunil has started journey towards the eastward, and when he reached to the 180 meridian, he experienced the Thursday midnight, and when we crossed the 180 meridian and he reached to the again 0 degree meridian, he experienced the Friday afternoon 12 p.m. Now see the Meenal journey. Considering the Meenal journey, as she moves westward, she will see that time is the moving back, because we learned that earth rotates from west to east. Therefore, in terms of time, eastern part of the earth is ahead and western part of the behind. So Meenal is started her journey toward the westward, so time is the behind. So she will see that time is moving backward. Means for example, when she reach at the 30 degree west, it will be 10. 2 hours you have to take the back now. You can see how the 2 hours will be back. And when she reach at the 60 degree west, and it will be 12 see 8 a.m. And when she reach at the 180 meridian, it would be 12 midnight. So if Meenal continues ahead, then it will be Wednesday 6 p.m. at 90 degree east. You can see the 90 degree east, there will be 6 p.m. of Wednesday, because she has started her journey Thursday, but when she come back to the eastward, she experienced the back day, that is the Wednesday. And when she will complete her full journey to return back 0 degree meridian, then according to her it should be Wednesday afternoon. Means see how there is the confusion about the day and date. So that's why, to avoid this confusion, a solution to the confusion of the days, here 2 points you have to consider, that is the direction of travel and the current day and date. Means this is very important, that the direction of travel, from which direction to which direction you are going to travel, is to west, and the current day and date. Means they started journey Thursday midnight. So what is the day? Means because in terms of time, eastern part is the ahead. So while traveling from Japan to America, we need to consider the existing day and the date even after crossing the ideal. Means, and on the opposite, while going from America to Japan and crossing the ideal, one needs to add a day to the date. Means these 2 points are very important while crossing the international date line, that is IDL. You can see that how the ideal is drawn, 180 meridian. This is called the international date line. Do understand the concept and revise at home. Thank you.